Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Fairness. Hi, my name is Jay. My teacher asked me to think about ways that I can be fair. Sharing is a good way to be fair. I like to share crayons, toys, and food. Taking turns is another way to be fair. Taking turns gives everyone a chance. Showing respect for other people is important too. People have differences, and everyone deserves respect. Sometimes I get jealous when my teacher or my parents pay attention to someone else. But I know that other people need them too. They will make time for me later. These are the ways I can show that I am fair. What about you? What things can you do to show that you are fair too?
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.